Today's video could be a short one, but if you like things that are both savory and sweet, this just might be the video that you need this week. Sopapillas. We are making the super easy style of sopapillas. If you look them up online, you're gonna see all these combination of recipes all together. That's gonna take you a while. I'm gonna show you how to do this in minutes. Hardest part, bringing the oil up to temperature. That's what I'm working on right now. Let me check the temperature of the oil. We're currently about 316. I'm trying to get this up to 375. So while I'm waiting on the temperature of the oil, let's get the topping mixed up. So I've got a bowl here. I've got some powdered sugar. So I'm just gonna stick a couple of big old spoonfuls of powdered sugar in here that we can use to roll them around in. Also got some cinnamon. A couple of big old heaping helpings of cinnamon here. Get that all mixed up. That part is ready. Here's what it looks like. Get my plate ready for when they start coming off. Now, next step, I've got flour tortillas. Yes, I'm starting out with flour tortillas, not a dough. You don't need a dough to make sopapillas. Take the flour tortillas that are about this size, not the huge size. They'll work too, but you're going to be limited as to how much space you have when you're frying them. This is the perfect size. Just cut them into quarters. That's going to be perfect. Now it's just a matter of waiting on the heat to come up. I hope this is not maxed out. It's almost at 350, but the light has gone out on the cooktop. Come on, cooktop, hold out. Okay, I think I'm pushing the limits on what this cooktop will do. I am almost at the 375. I'm going to need to finish them on the cooktop. While I'm waiting for the cooktop to heat up, what do you do if you make a mistake and you buy the white corn tortillas at the grocery store? Now, I did not make that mistake. I bought these for another purpose, but they look very similar in color and size to the flour tortillas. That's okay. I'm gonna cut some of those up and I'll show you what happens. I'm showing 392. Came up to temperature really quick over here. So let's go ahead and put some of these in here over at the cooktop. Look at this one here, puffed up instantly. I like that one just the way it is. Gonna start draining that one. This one's pretty good. Gonna start draining that one. Now remember what I said. What happens if you pick the corn tortillas? Let's fry some of those. Obviously, they do not puff up. They turn into Tostito type chips. Restaurant quality, homemade tortilla chips. So here's a selection of them. Cover them with our cinnamon and sugar. And then you want to know what really sets them off just perfect. A little bit of honey. And how's it taste? Awesome. Look at that puffiness. So simple, so delicious. You can make these anytime you want. You're gonna love these, trust me. If you're liking the video, give me a like down below. Please hit that hype button, it really helps out the channel. And a subscription. I am trying to get to 100,000 subscribers as fast as I can. Please, please help me out. So with that said, I will catch y'all next week. Bye-bye.